Every year, millions of animal confrontations take place in nature. But did you know that a fight between a cat and a snake can be so surprising? In the natural world, predator-prey relationships are common. But when it comes to cats and snakes, this relationship becomes especially interesting and dramatic. The confrontation begins when a snake approaches a cat, ready to attack with deadly venom. In nature, snakes are usually dangerous predators with the ability to strike quickly and accurately. But cats are not easy opponents to defeat. Will this cat be able to react in time to the dangerous attack of the snake? Both animals have strong survival instincts. Snakes rely on speed and silence to approach their prey undetected. Cats, on the other hand, are known for their agility and natural defenses, always ready for any threat. Snakes' hunting behavior has been shaped by thousands of years of evolution, but can it surpass the vigilance and reflexes of cats? Just as the snake was about to strike, the cat reacted. With a swift and precise leap, it avoided the fatal blow and turned back into a strong defensive stance. The snake, realizing that its opponent was too agile, suddenly retreated. The power shift was dizzying, from predator to repelled. What do you think about this confrontation, and which animal do you think will win? Leave your opinion in the comments section below, and don't forget to watch our next video to discover more amazing confrontations in the animal world.